What's going on, gang? Tiger Mike here. So today I'm doing a little DIY project. Got a little issue here with my dual mount for my monitors. As you can see here, the wood's kind of splitting. It's not digging it. It's too much weight on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that piece of wood that I showed you. I'm gonna put it up here, screw it onto this, reinforce it, and then reinforce the end that the grip will be grabbing onto. So that way it'll be reinforced and it'll be strong enough to hold both of these monitors, well, the TV and the monitor. So, you know, the monitor is not very heavy on itself, but the TV, because it's got all the audio and the plugins and all that fun stuff, it adds a lot of weight. Plus, it's like almost 10 years old, so it's slightly older technology. That weighs a little more. Everything weighs less every generation. So, anyway, let's do this. Follow Tiger Mike for all your fashion trends and everything, because navy blue with navy blue is just, you know, it's the best look that you could ever, I mean, I'm blue abadi abadai. So step one, gonna drill some holes in both of these pieces of wood so that I can get the screws through nice and easy. Using an 1.5" screw, which is a little bit, it's just the length. So, I mean, even if the tip is pointing out at the bottom, I don't really care. It's not like anyone's going to be rubbing their hands on it or anything. So that's not the biggest deal in the world to me. But, one thing we need is the drill. Alright, so usually I would do this work outside, but it's like fucking 20 degrees outside right now, so I'm doing it inside. I can fucking vacuum up the sawdust. Alright, so got my handy trash can. Who doesn't love a good trash can? You know, just because I'm worried about keeping things lined up, I'm gonna put in my screws as I go. Alright. Didn't even get a lot of sawdust all over. Reinforced. A little prickly on the bottom side, but that's okay. It's the bottom. If I really wanted to, I could run some sandpaper over it or just to smooth out the wood. Obviously it wouldn't do much to the metal, but it's okay. It don't matter, it's just a tip. It's just a tip. Not even enough to pierce the skin. Okay. So now, I gotta drill some holes on the other side so that I can screw it in up there. I'm gonna have to drill those holes too, but I'll do that after. What I did is I drilled this hole at the same time I drilled that hole. Alright, so now I know how far I have to go. I can't find the hole with just the tip. There it is. Bye, Felicia. Cool. Now we just got to finish these screws. Well, I'm going to drill the pilots first, just because this wood splits really easily. Plus, you should do it anyway. Alright, so for now I'm going to leave those two hard to reach ones alone. So let's take a look at this. You know, you might go, that's a lot of screws, but simultaneously, I really don't want this thing coming off. And it does already move enough as it is. So now, we gonna flip this bitch. Flip, flip, Flipadelphia. Flip, flip, Flipadelphia. Well, I think that's it, gang. I think we did it. Let's take a peek here. So now it's hanging instead of putting weight down on this sucker. And honestly, it probably would have been fine if I had reinforced it like this, but now I just got to stop this wobble, but that's a duty for another day. So for now, got my computer monitor working and the TV is working. Working. Cool beans. Cool beans, gang. Alright, well, that's it for today. We did it. Catch you next time.